Hello students, welcome to SOURAV classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI MSQMS question paper of year 2016. So today we'll be solving question number 25 and 26. So let's begin with question number 25. In question number 25, we have to find out the domain of y equal to 1 by root over mod x minus x, and y is well defined. The options given for the domain of y are 0 to infinity, minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity, and 1 to infinity. So let us find out the domain of y. So we have been given that y is equal to 1 by root over mod x minus x. Now we know that for domain, the denominator, if there is a square root over any term inside, then that term has to be positive. So in this case, for domain, mod of x minus x must be greater than 0. So that implies that mod of x is greater than x. This implies that this can only happen if x is less than 0 or x is a negative integer, negative number. In that case, the domain of y is minus infinity to 0. So that is option B. Now let us move on to the next question. The next question is question number 26. In question number 26, it is said that if the product of n positive numbers is 1, then their sum is either a positive integer or divisible by n, or equals to n plus 1 by n, or is never less than n. So if a1, a2, a3 up till an are positive numbers, then it is said, it is given that the product a1, a2, a3 up till an is equal to 1. We need to find the sum of a1, a2, a3 up till an, or summation of ai, where I goes from 1 to n. Now we know arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean. So in this case, summation of ai, where I goes from 1 to n upon n, is greater than equal to a1, a2, a3 up till an to the power 1 by n. Let me use the space below. So this implies that summation of ai by n is greater than equal to 1 to the power 1 by n, which is equal to 1. This implies that summation of ai is greater than equal to n. So we can say that the summation of ai is never less than n, which is the option D. So today we have solved question number 25 and 26 from the ISI MSQMS question paper of year 2016. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching SOURAV classes videos for more solutions. All the best for your upcoming exams, and thank you.